In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about measurement and evaluation. Measurement of any kind is determining how much or how little, how great or how small, how much more than or how much less than, etc. Educational measurement involves the mental processes of the individual in certain situations. Both testing, like achievement test and intelligence test, etc., and non-testing devices like observation, rating scales, etc., may be used in the process of measuring a characteristics, that is, obtaining information in a quantitative form. We may derive scores or obtain numerical description of the degree to which you as an individual possess a particular characteristics. In this way, how much potential you possess in a particular aspect of your behavior, that is knowledge, understanding, skills and applications of any facts, principle, incidents, etc., may be adjudged quantitatively with the help of the product and process of measurement. According to James M. Bradfield, measurement is the process of assigning symbols to dimensions of phenomena in order to characterize the status of phenomena as precisely as possible. To measure means to determine the magnitude of the property in terms of a suitable units, or it is giving status of a physical property or an outcome of an instruction. According to Reimers, Gage and Rummel, measurement refers to observations that can be expressed qualitatively and answers the question, how much? According to Mahesh Bhargava, measurement is the process of assigning symbols or numerical to observations, objects or events in some meaningful or consistent manner according to the rule. Difference between measurement and evaluation. In measurement, focus is only on a single aspect of subject matter, achievement or skill. In evaluation, emphasizes all aspects of pupil growth. Measurement does not involve any predetermined objectives on the basis of which judgments are made, but evaluation essentially based on objectives. Measurement is a means to end. Main function is collection of evidences to determine the present status of a pupil in a particular area. Evaluation is an end in itself. Main function is the appraisal of the value of evidences. Therefore, evaluation equal to measurement plus value judgment. Measurement may not be an essential part of instruction, but evaluation is an integral part of instruction. Measurement may be done off and on, but evaluation has to be done continuously. Measurement does not use a variety of techniques. Tests are the only tools used. But evaluation uses a variety of techniques such as test, attitude, inventories, observation, interview, rating scales, etc. Now try this. What is the relation between measurement and evaluation?